Hello everyone, this is Harsh and today we are going to learn what is operator in Python and what are the operators available in the Python. Before starting the tutorial, if you are new to this channel, let's subscribe this channel and also watch my previous video for getting the basic knowledge on the Python. So without wasting time, let's get started. What is operator? An operator is a symbol that performs an operation. An operator acts on some variables called operand. If we write a plus b, like here we have a plus b, here the operator plus is acting on two operand a and b. If an operator acts on single variable, it is called unary operator. If an operator acts on two variables, it is called binary operator. And in the same way, if an operator acts on three variables, then it is called ternary operator. This is the one way of classification. We can also classify the operators depending upon their nature. So we have different type of operators. Like we have arithmetic operators, assignment operator, unary minus operator, relational operator, logical operators, boolean operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identity operator. Now we will see one by one each operator. What is arithmetic operator? These operators are used to perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, division, etc. There are 7 arithmetic operators available in Python. Since these operators act on two operands, they are called binary operators. I will create one new project and I will say operators.py. Now let's say a equal to 20, b equal to 30. Now we will see the effect of various arithmetic operators. I will print all the result of the operators. Like I want to use plus operator, so I will print a plus b, and then I want to use minus operator, then we can use a minus b. In the same way, I will write all arithmetic operator used in Python. So it is for division. Now for modulus, we have to use percent symbol or percent operator. Exponent operator, which will calculate exponential power value. For that in Python we have to use double star. And then we have integer division operator. This is also called float division. It performs division and gives only integer quotient. For that we have to use double slash. Now let's run and see the result. Python space operators.py. Okay, we have to save first. Now see, we are getting the sum of a and b, right? 50. Now 20 minus 30 equal to minus 10. A by b, so the result is 0.66. A modulus b. So if we divide 20 by 30, then the remainder will be 20, right? In the same way, we have exponent operator. We are getting this, and for integer division we have value 0. You can see here we have 0.66, right? For single slash means this division operator, but for integer division we are getting only the integer part, right? So this is all about the arithmetic operator. What is assignment operators? These operators are useful to store the right side value into left side variable. For example, we have a equal to 20. So equal to is an assignment operator. We have different assignment operator in Python. This is one of the assignment operator. We have another, like we can say C plus equal to A. This is called addition assignment operator. So what it will do, it will take the value 20 and it will add the value to C. Like if we assign C equal to 10, then what it will do? It will do like, I will write the comment for it. It will be like A. Let's print the value of C. Print C. Now let's run. See, we are getting 30, right? 10 plus 20. Right. In the same way we have all the arithmetical operator like a assignment operator. Like this we have minus equal, star equal, slash equal, like division assignment operator, modulus assignment operator, exponentiation assignment operator, float division assignment operator. I want to multiply a by b and store into a. Then what we can do? We can do a into asterisk symbol equal to B. So what it will do? It will perform like this: A equal to A into B. Okay. So now if we want to print the value of A, then we will get the multiplication of A and B means 600. Let's see this we got right. So this is how we can use assignment operator in Python. As in another language, we have increment and decrement operator, like we usually used I++, right? But we can't use it in Python. So if we write this, we will get the error. I is not defined, right? In the same way, we don't have decrement operator. For this, we have to use plus equal to operator. What is unary minus operator? The unary minus operator is denoted by the symbol minus. When this operator is used before a variable, its value is negated. That means if the variable value is positive, it will be converted into negative, and the vice versa. For example, I want to print minus a, and here I will assign value minus 10 to d, and I will print minus d. What it will display? We have positive value in a and negative value in d. So now a will become negative, means it will display negative. It will not become negative. If we want to do that, then we can use a equal to minus a. Okay, but just I want to print here, save it and run it. You can see minus a, which is minus 600, and d we have negative value. Now it become positive. This is how unary minus operator works. What is relational operators? This is used to compare two quantities. Using this operator, we can compare the value and we can find if they are same, or which one is bigger or which one is lesser. These operators will result in true or false depending on the value compared. We have multiple relational operator, which is like greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, double equal to. Like if we want to compare two values equal or not, then we can use double equal to. We have not equal to operator. These are all kind of relational operator. So here I will show one of the example, like print a greater than b. So if you see, we have a as 600 and b we have 30, right? So a is greater than b, so it will return true. See, it is true, right? Now I want to check if it is less than b or not, then it will return false because a is greater than b, right? In the same way, we can use other operator like double equal to or not equal to. In this case also it will print true because both are not equal. So let's see, right? This is how we can use relational operators. What is logical operator? Logical operators are useful to construct compound condition. A compound condition is a combination of more than one simple condition. Each of the simple condition is evaluated to true or false, and then the decision is taken to know whether the total condition is true or false. We should always keep in mind that in case of logical operator, false indicates 0 and true indicate an other number, which is not 0. There are three logical operators in Python. Like we have AND, OR, and NOT. Okay, so how to use it? Here I will say A not equal to B and A is greater than B. So what it will do? It will check this one, A not equal to B, which is true, right? And then it will check A greater than B, which is also true, so it will return true. But what if we check less than? So this condition will true, but it will false, so it will print the false value. Let's see, true and then false, right? If we use or, then it will check if any of the condition is true, then it will print true, right? So in the both case it will print true. Let's see, true and true, right? Now we can use not operator. How to use not? I will use not like this. Not b means b is 30, which considered as true, so it will return false. Okay, let's run and see. This is false, right? Now if we assign 0 to b, then it will return true. Okay, here we will get this exception because we are trying to divide by 0, so it will not work here. What I will do here, I will again assign here. Okay, Now let's run and see. We are getting true. This is how we can use logical operator. What is Boolean operator? We know there are two bool type literal. They are true and false. Boolean operator act on bool type literal and they provide bool type output. It means the result provided by the Boolean operator will be again either true or false. There are three Boolean operators like we have AND, OR and NOT. So let's have two Boolean variable like t equal to true and f equal to false. Okay, now let's try to print A and B. What it will print? A is not A, T and F. T means true and F means false, and will return true if both are true. Okay, but or return true if any of these two variables are true. So let's save and run. See, F is false, that's why it is returning false. T and F. Here T is true, F is false. But in odd case, if any of the variable is true, then it will return true. And the same thing, if we write not, then it will make the value opposite. Like if it is true, then it will return false. If it is false, it will return true. So f is false, so it will return true. Let's run and see. It is true, right? What is bitwise operators? These operators act on individual bits such as 0 and 1 of the operand. We can use bitwise operators directly on binary number or an integer value. When we use these operators on integer, these numbers are converted into bit and then bitwise operator act upon those bits. The result given by these operators are always in the form of integer. In our daily life, we use decimal number. This number system consists of 10 digits from 0 to 9. But in case of binary number system that is used by computer internally, there are only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1, which are called bits or binary digits. All values are represented only using these 2 bits. It is also possible to convert decimal number into binary number and vice versa. There are 6 types of bitwise operator, which are bitwise complement operator, bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise XOR operator, bitwise left shift operator, bitwise right shift operator. Now we will see how bitwise complement operator work. For example, I will take x equal to 10. First it will convert it to binary number system. So here I will take 8 bit. So for this, for 10 we will have this. Okay. Now I want to use complement operator. So what it will do? It will convert 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Let's write first here. 1 1 1 1. Now 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to 1. This is the value and this is the value for minus 11. Now I will print the value complement of x. To complement any value we have to use tilde symbol and then x. Let's run and see. We have minus 11, right? This is how a bitwise operator works. Now we will see AND operator. For that I will assign one more variable y equal to 11. Okay. For this I will first convert here into binary digit, which is this one 1011. Okay. Now what it will do? Print. Okay. Now I want to print x and y. So what it will do? It will check this bit and this bit. If both are same, then it will return 1. Otherwise it will return 0 and then it will print the value. Now we want to print x and y. How it will work? We'll first write in comment x and y. So it will check bit by bit. If both are 1, then it will return 1, otherwise it will return 0. So for this first 4 bit it will return 0 only, and then 1 and 1 it will return 1, then 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1, then 0 and 1, 0, right? Okay, 0, 0, it is 0. So if you see here, this is nothing but 10, right? So it will return 10. Let's run and see. See, this is returning 10. In the same way, every bitwise operator will work. Like in OR case, it will compare both bit. If any of the bit is 1, then it will return 1. Let's see. I will use here OR. For OR operator, we have to use pipe symbol like this. Now let's see 0, 0. For this, it will be 0 only. Then 1, 1, 1. Then 0, 0, 0. Then 1 and 1. 1, 0 and 1. This is also 1, which is nothing but 11, right? So if we try to print this value, then it will print 11, right? Let's see. We got 11 here. Now we'll see how bitwise XOR operator works. To perform XOR operation, we have to use cap symbol like this. Okay, and now we will see how it will work here. We'll see first increment and then we'll see the output. In XOR operation, when we have odd number of ones in the input bit, we can get the output bit as 1. So if you see here, for 0 we will have always 0, and then if you see 1 1, this is even number like 1 and 1, 2 ones, right? So it will be 0, and then 0 0 again 0, then 1 and 1, it is even, so it will return 0, and then 0 and 1, so it will return 1 because number of 1 is odd, so it will print 1. Okay, let's save it and run it. You can see it printed 1, right? Now we will see bitwise left shift operator. This operator shifts the bit of the number toward left a specific number of position. Now I will say z equal to x left shift. So we have to use less than symbol for it, and I will say 2. So what it will do? It will take the x value, which is this. Okay. Then what it will do? It will shift left by 2. What I mean to say, like let's see, I will give 2 space here. So now if I want to fill this 2 space, then we have to add 2 0 at the end. Means that last space will be filled by 0. So now the value become 40. So if we print the Z, then it should print 40. Let's see. Right. This is how bitwise left shift operator works. In the same way, if we use right shift operator, then it will shift right to the specific number. So for right shift, we have to use greater than symbol here, and let's take it. So what it will do, from this I will paste here, and then I will fill 2 0 at the beginning. So I filled 2 0 here, so it will be out from the bit. Like now take 8 bit from start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now we have to remove this. This is our result. So it will print 2 because it is binary value for 2. Let's run and see. See, it is printing 2, right? Now we will see what is membership operator. The membership operator are useful to test for membership in the sequence, such as strings, lists, tuples, or dictionaries. If an element is found in the sequence or not, can be asserted using this operator. There are 2 membership operators, which are in and not in. In operator returns true if an element is found in a specified sequence. If the element is not found in the sequence, then it will return false. Not in operator works reverse manner for in operator. This operator returns true if an element is not found in the sequence. If the element is found, then it will return false. For example, I will take one list L equal to 1, 2 and 3, and then I will print 2 in L. So it will print true. If we write 5 in L, then it will return false. Let's see, 2 in 1, true, and then it is false. If I will say not in, then it will return opposite of this. Now it will return false here, then true here. Let's see. False, then true. This is how we can use membership operators. What is identity operator? The identity operator compares the memory location of 2 objects. It is possible to know whether the 2 objects are same or not using this operator. The memory location of operator can be seen using the ID function. This function returns an integer number, which is called identity number, that internally represents the memory location of the object. Let's see how to use it. I want to see the memory location for A, so I will use ID and then A. Okay, and now let's run and see. This is the location, memory location for A. Now, as I told, Python use tag for storing the value. So if we say C equal to A, then the ID of C will also be same as A. Let's see, 7, C. This is similar, right? And also I will assign value Z equal to 10 and then B equal to 10. And now I will see Z and B ID. It should be same because the value is same, right? Let's see. This is same, right? 1407275469565504. So this is how we can see the memory location of any variable. There are two identity operators which are is and is not. Each operator is useful to compare whether two objects are same or not. So let's compare Z is B. So it will print true because both are same, right? It is printing true. If we use not is, then it will print false. It is not is, we have to use is not. Okay, now let's run. We are getting false because both are same. We are saying here it is not same. That's why it is printing false. This is how we can use identity operator. I hope you learn the operators in Python. What are the operators available in the Python? What are the type of operator available in Python? And how to use the operator. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, let's share with your friends.